Click on the link below to get price. The V20 4.0 electric bike is a robust and versatile ride that caters to both urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts. With its powerful 1500W max motor, this e-bike delivers impressive acceleration and speed, effortlessly tackling steep hills and challenging terrains. The motor provides a smooth and responsive ride, making it ideal for anyone looking to transition from traditional biking to electric biking. The 48V 15ah removable battery is another standout feature, offering a commendable range that allows users to travel up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and modes. The convenience of a removable battery means you can easily charge it indoors or swap it out for a backup when needed. Battery life indicators ensure you're never caught off guard during your rides. The bike's 20-inch fat tires provide excellent traction and stability, making it suitable for various surfaces, from city streets to sandy trails. These tires enhance the overall riding experience by absorbing shocks and bumps, which is particularly beneficial for off-road adventures. The sturdy aluminum alloy frame ensures durability while remaining lightweight, making the bike easy to maneuver. The V20 4.0 features a user-friendly LCD display that keeps track of speed, battery level, and trip distance, allowing riders to monitor their performance with ease. The bike also includes a convenient pedal assist mode, enabling riders to choose how much effort they want to exert, which is particularly helpful during long rides or when tackling inclines. On the downside, assembly can be somewhat daunting for those unfamiliar with bike mechanics. However, once assembled, the bike delivers a comfortable ride with an adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars. Overall, the V20 4.0 electric bike is a solid investment for anyone seeking an efficient, powerful, and enjoyable riding experience, combining performance with practicality in a stylish design.